Hi everyone, my name is Laura Galicchio and I am 27 and I'm from southeastern Connecticut. I'm excited to start this new course in environmental health. There are a lot of fields of public health that I am currently interested in, and in my current job, I work with substance use as well as prevention and violent death, such as homicides, suicides, and undetermined death. And we work to find trends among the state of Rhode Island, which is very interesting. So that interests me, as well as mental health, substance use. I'm also very interested in nutrition and physical activity, as well as community health. And in regards to environmental health, just living near the ocean my whole life, that's something that's always interested me, as well as, just in general, water quality and as well as air quality. And then with the COVID pandemic that we've all experienced, I think that's also a super important topic um, to just know more about for future pandemics or epidemics that we experience. So I'm excited to learn more about some of those areas. And a fun fact, I guess it's just a fact about me, is I actually today just got back from Costa Rica. I did a solo travel that included like a meditation and yoga retreat, and it was amazing. It was an amazing experience. I got to connect with myself better and just really appreciate the culture and the warm weather, and it was a great time. So, anyways, I'm excited to meet everyone and learn more about environmental health. Bye.